30%. JC Sharma, Vice Chairman and MD of Sobha, is with us. Mr. Sharma, good morning. Is this the demonetization impact on your numbers? And then, of course, the follow-up would be that will things improve in the next few quarters?
See, as far as the operational performance is concerned, you are right. The sales were down, which we had already shared with the market about a month back. Yesterday we had come out with our financial numbers, and despite demonetization, what the financial numbers have demonstrated is that though new sales were not up to our expectations, but the pre-sales, wherever it has taken place, there the customers have gone ahead with their dues, and the construction activities also had gone ahead unabated, and this got reflected in one of the better cash flow quarter without any other income, and a sustained margins, which if you compare with the preceding quarter and the quarter year-on-year basis, you will see that either there is a consistency or a significant improvement in both top line and bottom line. So the financial performance did not get impacted. Yes, operational performance did get impacted because of this demonetization.
So, I mean, quarter on quarter, if we compare, not from the year ago quarter, your sales volume is down 30%, your new sales by value is down 29%, average price realization is down 1.1%. Will any of this reverse, you think? Was it a one-off of impact?
It cannot be a one-off impact. The impact and effect of the demonetization means there is a slowing down as far as the new sales are concerned. But what we are talking about is that primarily this impact, as it was intended on the prices front, the prices have remained stable. The small change what you observe, it is primarily on account of some configuration, not on account of that the developers have started giving reduction in the prices. The volume is very clear, significant signal that yes, the demonetization has impacted, and that pressure may continue for 1 or 2 more quarters. But since we have got good pre-sales of about 10 million square feet, where we can have the unbilled revenue still of more than 2,700 crore. Going forward, we believe that our financial performance will not get impacted because of this demonetization. Other way of looking into, yes, had this thing not happened, probably we would have done significantly better on all parameters.
Okay, but why is that, Mr. Sharma? Because, you know, most of the listed companies tell us that their entire dealings are anyway in check and through digital payments.
It has got nothing to do with the payments being made through digital mode or otherwise. The question is, if the customers are not making payments in post demonetization, it's more of a sentiment. There has been a slowdown, and that slowdown impact is witnessed by all the developers. But those who are making, they are making, as is reflected in our cash flows. We have done close to 600 crore of cash collection in this last quarter as well.
You are in the IT city, Mr. Sharma. You know, you are in places where IT is doing, IT is a big industry, but that industry is going through a downturn. Hirings are falling. Is that impacting demand? And therefore, you particularly, because you are in places like Bangalore, Hyderabad, could be a little impacted on the demand front?
Lata, you have to look at other way around. Because we are in the IT city, if at all you are seeing the volumes, it is the Bangalore market only which is that way holding on more firmly than most of the other market. Unfortunately, what we have seen is the other markets haven't fared as well as they are expected to be. As far as the lowering of demand and other things are concerned, I think you need to look at the commercial space absorption. The city continues to attract more than 1/3 of the new space absorption. So we need not have to worry on that count, in my view.
Okay, Mr. Sharma, thanks a lot for your time today. That's Sobha Developers. Well,